Hey everybody, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. How's everybody doing? I haven't been on here in a while. When I say a while, I mean I haven't made any videos in a while. But I have been on YouTube watching videos and learning different things about computer repair. Even though I know a lot, I learned over the years. I'm always eager to learn new things and when something new comes out, I always want to find out about it. Um, but I haven't done a video, and I thought I'd do a video called Computer Recap. So basically, what I want to talk to you about is basic computer stuff, like what's important about your computer, or what's important to you and your needs of a computer. And what type of computer that you would want to have, or what you need. Let's say you want to go and buy a new system. There's a couple things that you should be concerned about, like, I would ask somebody if they wanted to buy a new system, like, what is your needs? In other words, are you going to use it for gaming, or are you just going to be searching the internet? You're going to be doing a lot of graphics, or you're going to be doing editing. What are the needs that you have? Or if you don't have the needs now, are you going to maybe down the road in 6 months or a year want to do gaming or graphics? Because if you have that in the near future that you want to be able to do on the computer, then now when you purchase a new computer, you should buy something that is able to do that, if you follow me. So if you're never going to do gaming or editing and those kind of things, you just get online, you do search the internet, maybe Amazon, buy things on there, or eBay, or email, and those kind of things. I would say you need a basic, maybe 4 to 8 gig memory, dual core or quad core processor. That's the CPU. An SSD hard drive would be nice. So, write these things down if you're going to be looking for a new computer in the future, or you want to upgrade your old one. If you can upgrade your old one, I would say put an SSD hard drive in it, and also add more memory. You can add more memory to most computers that are stock. You have to find out how much memory you have by going to the control panel, double clicking on system, and it'll tell you RAM memory. It's either going to be like 4 gigs or 6 or 8, and then you can go on the internet or go to I recommend a website called crucial.com, where you can call them up and they'll tell you how much memory your computer will support, and if you can put more, they'll sell it to you, and I can tell you how to put it in the comments. Or if you're going to buy an SSD hard drive and you want to install it yourself, you can always send me a note in the comments, and I can walk you through how to install a hard drive, how to put Windows on. After you install it, you're going to have to put Windows on. So there's a few things you need to know. But even if you're not going to do it yourself, you just want somebody to build you a custom system, or you want to buy a new computer at the store, off the shelf, there's the things that you need to know. Like I said, you need at least a dual core or a quad core processor. Most computers today come with a decent processor. I would say Celeron, you don't want a Celeron. But any other processor, whether it be Intel or AMD, is fine for basic needs. You have two choices, AMD or Intel. Those are the two choices. And they're both good. I would say they're both about equal. And then the memory, you want to upgrade that. Call crucial.com You can search it on your computer, get the phone number and call them, tell them your model number, and they'll let you know and help you through that process of getting memory. Or like I was saying, you could go to the computer shop if you have the money to spend, and they can do it all for you. Or you could send it to me and I can do it for you. Or if you want me to build you a custom system, let me know and we'll talk about what your needs are, and then I can build you a system. Tell me your budget and what kind of things you want to use it for, and I can put together something for you. So either way, I'm glad you're here. I'm back on doing videos, which I didn't miss all you guys. So thanks for watching, and like I said, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of videos about computers and computer tips, and they can all help you with different needs and different things you need to know about a computer if you're interested in learning, or if you just like to know about your computer issues that you're having. You can always tune into one of my videos, or you can always contact me in leaving a comment, and I'll get back to you and answer all my comments. Eventually, I always answer all my comments. It may take me a little time, but I will get to you. And as always, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.